Thanks very much, Republic TV viewers, for staying with us on this very, very special broadcast. Proud to be Indian. And as they say, as the famous cliche goes, when the going gets tough, Deepthi, the tough gets going. And our next very, very special guest is 52-year-old Dr. Mohammad Latif. His story is something that underscores the essence of that very saying, and he has behind him more than 2 decades of selfless service as a soldier.
And there's a reason why, ladies and gentlemen, he's got to be here. We get him here because he has a story to tell. Not just, I think, a story to tell, but a story to inspire. Because all along his service with the CRPF, he's posted in the extremely sensitive areas on many occasions. He's dodged bullets. He's fought the threat to his very own life only to save lives of those attacked by India's enemies. And today, as we present this story before you, we want to tell him that his courage, his selfless service to the nation is an inspiration to all of us. And let's put our hands together and welcome this very, very brave hero. Again, now we see him on our screens. He'll be in our studio very soon. And yes, keep those phone lines coming, because those numbers will be flashing at the bottom of your screens. You can actually call in, put out your message for all our heroes. And proud to be Indian is what Republic says. And this is a quick primer on the man himself.
Welcome to Republic TV
Thank you,
Studios. In fact,
you might have seen them wielding guns. You might have seen them taking on the stone pelters. But CRPF officer Dr. Mohammad Latif chose the stethoscope instead.
I make a relation between the doctor as well as our troops also.
Dr. Latif was the first Kashmiri doctor to join the Central Reserve Police Force.
5 times I was posted in Amarnath Yatra duty I have given, in Baltal as well as Pahalgam. When the first of this 2000, March 2000, when a big incident took place there, when there was a big firing, I was also there.
Be it in Jammu and Kashmir or the Northeast or Maoist-infested jungles, Dr. Latif has seen action across theatres. He saves his Jawans from both bullets and illnesses.
I was the first to go there and pick up the patient, injured personnel, sadhus, as well as mostly there was sadhu, and as well as our Jawans were also there.
Dr. Mohammad Latif is a hero who should be applauded. Republic TV salutes and welcomes the officer with a stethoscope.
And yes, the man now is with us here in our studios. And as I said, it's such a pleasure to have you here, sir. First up, I want to understand a little bit more about the journey that you've taken so far, because we've read about you from Jammu Kashmir to the Northeast to the Maoist-infested states. What all have you been doing?
I joined in CRPF 1997. So before that, I joined this as a trainee. I did my MBBS from Government Medical College, Srinagar in 1987 batch. So after that, I was as a doctor in Sora Institute Institute of Medical Sciences. After that, I joined this CRPF, and I took my work as a job, and then.
But how does it feel to be the first Kashmiri doctor, especially the kind of conflict that the valley has been seeing in the last so many decades? और आपको लगता है कि एक जो trust deficit है कश्मीरियों और forces के बीच में वो खत्म हो गया, काफी नजदीकियां बढ़ गई है?
Yes, when I joined there, there was a threat perception in life every time.
उस समय भी था?
Yes,
you braved
in
all
1997.
Yes.
So it was very difficult to go outside, meet the people, because they were knowing to me, because from 10 years I was as a civilian.
So you could sense a resistance.
So yes, I got the sense of resistance again and again. And after that, I was working with the people, and I was doing all the civic action program there in Kashmir also. and our CRPF troops, they were being treated by the hospital. We have a very good rapport with the civil police, civil hospitals.
Do you see youngsters nowadays, the current Kashmiri generation, wanting to be part of the forces? Because whenever we have seen these recruitment drives in the valley, there are long queues. Despite militancy, despite impact of Hurriyat separatists, despite stone pelting, despite all of that, Kashmiris want to come forward, they want to leave gun and align with the forces.
Yes, I did recruitment also. I was as a recruitee also, and I did a recruitment.
Kaisa response tha?
Yes, too much of response was there. I did a recruitment in Kupwara also. So, yes, the response was good.
But Dr. Latif, you know, there's a reason why we here at Republic do this entire show that is proud to be Indian. We've had so many heroes. I think this is one day for us not just to remember what all you people do, you know, braving everything, and I mean actually everything. You can perhaps, you know, tell us more about that. But there are certain life-changing experiences. Today, when you look at how the country operates, you still look at that divide, you know, that people want to create, particularly because of Jammu and Kashmir, between the forces and the commoners. But going beyond all that, what is that one message today that you have for our audiences here on Republic Day?
You see, division is not my topic, but I'm a professional. But still, yes, we have to create some infrastructures, some alternative things should be done to counter all these things. Rehabilitation of those, we'll do all the, we can, then the rest of the government job is there.
But then what does the idea of India mean to you? Because you've done so much, you're someone with the healing hand. It's not easy to be a doctor, you know. What you do, I think, is commendable with whatever you've seen, whatever you've gone through, 21 years of touching people's life. What does the idea of India mean to you?
Actually, I was a disciplined man from my childhood, and uniformity was in my, I was a punctual, very punctual. So I was very keen to wear the uniform, and I joined this with my own this wish. I tendered my resignation from state government also. So I joined this, and I'm happy to work and to help the to serve our Jawans who are laid down their sometime life. They are front. They are fighting in front, and we are also taking care of all these.
You're very modest. You're very modest.
Yes. And Deepti, in fact,
it's
you know,
a pleasure for me.
आपने literally bullets को escape किया while treating your patients. In fact, हमारे दर्शक आपको सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं. किरण कुमार पाटिल हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ रहे हैं. किरण जी, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप हमारे खास मेहमान जो अभी स्टूडियो में है? What's your message and what's your question?
जी मैडम, मैं सर को एक बड़ा सैल्यूट देना चाहता हूँ. सर, आप डॉक्टर है, पहला वो रिस्पेक्ट है, बाद में जवान है, उसके लिए रिस्पेक्ट है. मगर एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ, इतना सब कुछ चलते हुए आजकल डॉक्टर लोग विलेज में ड्यूटी करने के लिए मना करते. आप तो बॉर्डर खेले गए, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू. प्लीज हर एक डॉक्टर को ये मैसेज दीजिए, बॉर्डर में तो आप जैसे जवान लोग और जबरदस्त लोग हैं, मगर इधर का डॉक्टर लोग जो विलेज जाके सर्विस नहीं करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको देख के उनके लिए थोड़ा ये होना चाहिए, गर्व होना चाहिए. आपसे ये मैसेज चाहिए हर एक डॉक्टर को, जहां भी हो. विलेज तो बॉर्डर से भी अच्छा है. आप लोग मरते मरते हम लोगों को जिंदा रख रहे हैं, है ना सर? आपको मैं टीवी में देख रहा हूँ, म्यूट किया हूँ, मगर आपका चेहरा देखते हुए मुझे आप में सिर्फ जवान दिख रहे हैं जो भारत देश के लिए इतना लड़ रहे हैं. मुझे जात नहीं दिख रहा. आपका एरिया नहीं मालूम है मुझे, और मालूम नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच. यू आर देयर.
पाटिल साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने हमें कॉल किया. और आप पूरा दिन पाटिल साहब ये शो देखिएगा, क्योंकि एक के बाद एक बहुत सारे हीरोज हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे. लेकिन अब डॉक्टर साहब, I think you must respond to him. He has some very beautiful feelings.
Yes, I can say that our doctors should, whenever they are posted to such areas, they should, after taking all precautions, they should go there and serve our Jawans. As I have served in Chhattisgarh for 4 years, So they should also go, and I came with all मैं अच्छे तरीके से वहाँ काम करके आया. It's good for me.
अच्छा, आपने छत्तीसगढ़ का जिक्र किया. We have another caller, Siddharth, who's calling us from Chennai. But before we get in, Siddharth, आपसे सिर्फ 30 seconds Siddharth request करती हूँ, आप phone line hold करिएगा, because I think what happened in Bastar is a story that people will want to hear. तो हमें उसके बारे में बताइए.
Yes, when I joined in October 2014 in Chhattisgarh, Bastar, in Jagdalpur area, then there was a Naxal threat was too much, so many casualties were there. So I was given the task that I have to evacuate the injured whenever they are injured, they are getting all the firing are going on there. So I have to go through chopper. So one incident is very with me, it was with me, that happened in 21st of November when we boarded in a chopper at 5:30 p.m. There was a firing going on in Chinta Gufa, near Chinta Gufa, Kassalpada is the place, and we went there, and after that the chopper landed there. I was with my surgical unit team, field surgical, we have made field surgical unit team. So I was leading the team, and when the chopper landed there, what happened, we received 5 patients. They were serious. I received 5 patients. Now when chopper took off about 500 meters above, after that there was a heavy firing in our chopper, and 2 of my Jawan, they again got this bullet injury, and I got 7 patients. When then I asked the pilot that will we survive? There is a threat of crash.
You thought like that?
Yes,
will we survive?
Will we survive, because crash was the maybe chopper crashed. So he told no, don't worry, you just go on. And I started my work, and all the life of the patient were saved, and 7 patients who got the bullet injury, and he was their life was saved in they were brought to Jagdalpur hospital, and 4 points of blood were given to
and you know, Dr. Khan, I think his story sunke we get goosebumps. Yes. And you were live in that situation, but I think this is a very, very important life-changing experience that he's talking about. We'll continue this conversation in a bit. Siddharth bhi hamare saath phone line pe jude. He's calling from Chennai. Siddharth, thank you for holding that phone line. If you can still hear us, and if you're still with us, what is your message? What is your question now for our special hero here?
I don't have any questions. I'm just calling to say Happy Republic Day to everyone. Thank you for the doctor who's serving our country. Thank you for the martyrs whose mother was there on the channel previously, Akshay Girish. Very proud of them. Just wish that everybody has a Happy Republic Day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And thank you, Siddharth. Happy Republic Day to you also, to every Indian who's watching the broadcast. And before we hit the break here, Dr. Khan, sir, one message today. What is that one message in uniform on a broadcast like this, where, you know, so many Indians want to hear stories. They get inspired when they listen to all of you, your individual stories of valor and color. One message to them, sir.
My message is to my CRPF Jawans, as well as all CAPF, all paramilitary forces, that they should remain as free from stress. They should not feel tense, and they will remain mentally free, physically fit. They always follow the advice of our doctors, as well as balance. They have to take balanced diet every day, because they have to fight for the nation, and has to remain the fit. This is my message to our Jawans.
Thank you, Dr. Khan, so much. And I think he's a hero, Sakal, with a stethoscope. You want to take it away?
Yes, sir. In fact, आपके अपने परिवार के लोग जो आपको देख रहे हैं, especially for them, when you've been posted to such volatile regions from Bastra to Baramulla, family really skips a beat? What do you want to tell them? Because they
Yes,
must have been a
sometimes they
major
ask,
source of inspiration.
but my family has supported me a lot.
Yes.
My family always remain with me. She is in, my family was in Chhattisgarh
Okay.
also. So she is with me. She is very supportive to me. And
Right.
I'm absolutely, she is
Okay.
very supportive.